You will be very surprised when you find out how easily you can make these lovely caramel apples. It took me less than 10 minutes to make them. So if you watch this video till the end, you will learn how to make them yourself in less than 10 minutes. You can use any type of topping, like the one that I'm using here, or not use any topping at all. That's up to you. But one thing I can tell you for sure, that this lovely dessert will leave your guests stunned and will become a real gemstone of your table. First, you have to prepare the apples. We need to make sure that the apples are really dry and there is no even small drop of water on them. Next thing that we need is just ordinary store-bought caramels. When I told you in the beginning of this video that this is a very easy, no-fuss recipe of doing the caramel apples, I really meant it. So there is no need to cook all this homemade caramel and to stress out because of that. Now we need to melt the caramels. For this we put them in a microwave. The usual time is around 2 to 3 minutes, but we need to take them out every 30 seconds and stir them well. The final consistency must be really smooth, not too heavy and not too runny. You will see it. Now we need to finally prepare the apples. For this we would need a wooden stick like that. It's sold in the supermarkets and sometimes it's called a caramel apple stick. You have to firmly insert it into the center of each apple, just like you see in the video, and please make sure that you insert it really firmly and the apple sits well on the stick, because when you will be dipping the apple into caramel, the apple obviously needs to stay on a stick and not to fall off it. That's just some practical tips. Okay, that's what I call the correct caramel consistency. And one more practical tip. If it's too heavy, you can add some sour cream into it to make it more runny, but make sure it's not too runny. So now our main task is to dip the apples into caramel, and here we have some different ways to do it. We can dip it into caramel on an angle so the caramel covers nearly to the top center. After that, we need to lift the apple and let the excess caramel to run off. Well, here we have some space for experiments. We can rotate the apple to give it a perfect shape, and like the more we rotate it, the better is the shape of this apple. It's somewhat similar to making a pot. So you can imagine yourself being at a pottery house and make it a nice play. Actually, it's really nice to make this kind of apples with the kids and let them rotate them. They really enjoy doing it. When you are done with rotating the apple, just put it on a plate, and here, as I said, you can use any type of topping. Then repeat the process with the next apples. During the process, you may need to reheat the caramel in the microwave. Put it in the microwave, but make sure you take it out every 15 seconds to check the consistency. As I said, it has to be not too heavy, but not too runny. So it has to be really deep, able consistency. When you are done with the apples, I mean when they all are covered with caramel and you want it to be firmy, just put the plate with the apples into fridge for about 30 minutes. I mean, of course you can eat them right away, but if you want the caramel to firm back up, then you have to wait for 30 minutes. And that is the most difficult part for the kids because they just cannot wait. They want to eat the apples immediately. So it doesn't matter, you can eat the apples both ways, but if you want the caramel to be really firm, then yes, you have to put them in the fridge. So just enjoy watching this video till the very end. I really tried to make it as practical as possible. I really wanted anyone to be able to try to do the same thing immediately just after finishing watching this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, you can write down a few words in the comments section. That would make me really happy. And if you are not with me, I mean if you are still not a subscriber of my channel, you can hit the subscribe button not to miss the next videos as I'm planning to make something really interesting. Anyway, I'm wishing you success while doing the caramel apples.